Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to this new channel-ish. You guys remember the old channel? Like, if you guys are new to this channel, guys, remember to go back to my old channel. You'll see all of my other vlogs. I think I have like 70 vlogs on there, and you'll see why I'm doing this channel. And if you guys watched the very last video on this channel, you guys might realize that it's in the same damn day, because as I told you guys, I'm gonna be going hard. I'm actually gonna start doing a little bit more daily vlogs. I'm not gonna do it all the time. I'm not gonna always do trip vlogs, but I'm gonna drop a few daily vlogs in there as well, guys. But anyway, so today I'm gonna be going on the road. Like in Jamaica right now, it's raining cats and dogs. Like, it's been raining like forever. I had some business to do yesterday. It pretty much rained out everything. Like, I was supposed to like get this car done, like do some alarm on it and stuff, and like it wasn't possible because in Jamaica, as you guys might know, some of these mechanics or mechanical shops, there is not like a shelter or anything like that, which I don't mind because it's pretty affordable to get your car worked on here. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna call a guy up really quick. It's a Sunday. It's the 1st of October, so it's a brand new start. And yeah, so I'm gonna check you guys out with that. Hold on. Big up to the girl that hit me up when I was outside the mechanic shop yesterday. That was September the 30th. Big up yourself. It was kind of strange. Like, I was there with the car and stuff, and this girl said, like, I heard somebody talking. They were like, "Me know him. Yeah, got him now." And I'm like, yo, I'm the kind of person I kind of, attention is good, but I don't really like attention. So I started moving away. I was like, yo, it can't be me, because I don't really talk to people. I've never really spoken to like a female in the garage shop. So I kind of moved away and stuff. And then like the older sister or whatever, she was like, "Hey, you brown towel here, come here now." And I'm like, yo, Jano. To be quite honest, like when girls call me and stuff, it's kind of like, oh my god. I still have that boyish mentality. But anyway, like I went to the gate. I'm like, she's like, "Are you the YouTube?" And I'm like, oh yeah, okay. And then the younger one, she was like, "I subscribe to your channel, you know." And I was like, yo, Jano, thanks, you know, welcome or whatever. So yo, big man thing, I appreciate that. Like, I really appreciate it. In the moment, maybe it feels kind of a little bit awkward. It's kind of like, but like, when I look back at it, it makes me feel really good that you guys support the channel and the channel is growing. So guys, big up yourself.
Matthew, you up your vlog on your birthday, dog.
Big up him. I can't even curse. Just a vlog, daddy.
How about thing? Vlog over and out.
Alright guys, so I'm in the car right now. What I'm gonna do, yo, first thing I can tell you, like driving a car that has good suspension, like regular, because on my Honda I have like, what you call it, like racing suspension. Is really uncomfortable. Plus it's a standard vehicle, so it's more concentration to drive it. Driving an automatic after so long, bro, feels so good. But yeah, I'm in a small dilemma. As you guys know, I don't really know like directions. I'm not good at it. I'm like a Google Maps person. So like I called the technician a while ago and he's like, yo, half a tire to Jamaica. And I'm like, yeah. Honestly, I drive past tire to Jamaica like ever so often, and in my head like me just couldn't map it. Like, this is like my downfall. Come for trouble, I can't find place. But anyway guys, I'm about to leave out right now, and I'll hit you up guys up when I'm there. Guys, I can't really change the channel upon that car really good. I want them old school radio there. Priya. I don't have no USB to put in or no CD, so. I remember the song from Aladdin when I was a kid, so it brings back memories, so no big deal. But guys, when you become big man and realize your cap, it can't fly. So yeah guys, checking you guys real quick. I made it to where I was supposed to make it to. Been up here for like half an hour. Currently up by Asafa's house right now. That's where the tech guy pretty much did all the Asafa Power car. So I'm gonna deal with my car too. Yo, pre on the man car. It's crazy bro. So that's a guy I've been working on for Asafa. It's really cool. His car the next door there, so kinda really want to vlog, cause you see me. I don't wanna seem like kind of a paparazzi them on him thing. But you know, him start deal with the car and stuff. Take a couple of videos and thing and go on easy back. Right now they're having a party upstairs. We're preparing for a party upstairs. I think it's Shelly and Fraser what you call it? The christening of our baby. You know, for those of you who don't know, that's our fastest female, or used to be one of our fastest females, you know, did really good for us in the Olympics. So them just up there. I'll show you guys real quick. Up there, so I set up the event and thing. Don't know. You know, so like, I'm still there, so I wait still. And like, I thought this came to my head. Like, I was talking to Razor yesterday, and we were talking about some stuff, and some good things happen. And like me genuinely just feel happy, like, and it's a good feeling, me feeling myself. It's like, I feel like, me can't even explain. I like lava in your body. You just feel this big joy for somebody else, you see me? I just, the whole idea of bad mind just come to me head a while ago, you see me? Cause me there, so I miss, I look for everything I go and I look for myself, I carry them on the house, and I feel happy for him. You see me, so I kind of just I wonder how people can ever feel bad mind for somebody else. Like, me just can't really. It's just a random thought comes there, so I was like thinking, I'm just deep in my thoughts, but like how somebody can just bad mind somebody else. You can look on somebody having stuff and be like, yo, Jano, but I want it for myself, but not bad mind the person. You can just see them and just say, yo, Jano, how them get that? How me can aspire to get that too? Because I look on some cars up here and I say, yo, Jano, I'd like to have a car in the future or to be able to do something like that. But I'm more focused on like how is it that I can achieve that in a good way than to bad mind somebody. Isn't it? Like, I like coming to places like this, especially Jamaicans too. I tell Jamaicans, like, whenever you go to America, don't make it be a thing where you go there and hype on people and be like, yo man, I make it on rare and you're working in a Burger King. Now man, I say, go over there and look and see how a first world country operates and like how they deal with stuff. They're timely. You gotta be at work on time. Rain can't stop your work. You understand? Like, you gotta be creative. There's a big market, you have to target it, reach stuff like that. That's the type of mentality like I wish like my subscribers, you guys kind of develop, using me for better yourself, because that's the only way. That's the only way we in Jamaica can actually make it. Cause big man thing, I've had opportunities to like leave the country and live, but yo, my heart there, so the say thing there. Of course, I'd like to have a house in America at some point, but what if a potential there, so we just need to just stop bad mind, big man thing. Free machine, man. Jesus. But pass off a machine.
In fact, them under. Oh, come on, sir. Which part of it? Yeah. I like my girls bad and bougie. Cooking that dough with a Uzi, yeah. It is a savage, ruthless. 30s and 100 rounds too. I like my girls bad and bougie. Cooking that dough with a Uzi, yeah. It is a savage, ruthless. Got 30 and 100 rounds too. Raindrop, drop top. I be making space for you like I'm Maybach, yeah. You be stunting, you be fronting on me, but baby, you can't be for real.
So we have a thing them I put in right now. Alarm system and base something, you see me? But as always, rain a go fall. Crazy. So I have to go move up on the shed real quick. Womp womp womp. Yo, big man thing somebody there was not me today. Like just now, this van was coming in, and like it make one whole heap of squeaking noise because they have a big old hill up there, so and just knock off somebody brand new Civic mirror. I know the mirror they have everything on it, and I like camera and whatever. Dog come out take care, that's all he need. That is just like, yeah, I get taxed. But anyway guys, in other news, I'm there so it's a really nice day out. But I'm hungry as hell. I've been here from like 10 o'clock and now it's maybe like 2 o'clock. I am so hungry. I just jumped out of my house really quick because I had an appointment with him like from about like 9:30. But some people never really early at Jamaica yet, so kind of wait till like 10. Is me. But anyway, there so I try to work on this car, get everything done. But you know, I'm gonna deal with some stuff for Asafa and Shelly, because as I said, she's Shelly and it's christening. Plus the car go leak, so I'm gonna go look on that too. So I'm still there, so I'm hungry as hell. Really happy for some KFC, even though sometimes KFC kind of run the belly. And if I spice your hour, but I tell you pre right now. But the day has been so calm, eventful, like meeting somebody different, having similar interests with cars and stuff. So a mad move. Alright guys, it's now like 6:36. Not too long got home. Started mashing up this food. Avocado's there. I'm hungry as hell. Yo, I'll catch you back as soon as I'm done eating. Alright guys, so I told you guys I'll be like messaging, well, no messaging, like on Snapchat and I talk to the phone. Like I'll be finishing off the vlog after I just gone eating or whatever. I'm so tired. Like I just had like 2 hours of work to finish up, which I just did, and I'm beat. I'm 100% beat, and a bit disappointed and a bit frustrated in a small way, because I don't remember if I even put out this vlog when I was saying about like quitting the whole YouTube thing or the channel because of the situation with AdSense or whatever. Well, the good part about it today is like they messaged me and they said, yo, they can close out the AdSense whatever thing for me, and I should let them know which AdSense I should put on it. So that should be rectified maybe back like before I even put up this video anyway. So because now it's Sunday the 1st of October, and hopefully by tomorrow like we decide on what's gonna happen. So that's one thing. I had big plans for something, you know, I was working on investment or whatever, and how it's supposed to work, like bruh, it not pan out at all. I'm really disappointed about that. Like sometimes I don't like putting my faith in people at all, which is not necessarily a good thing because it's good to work in a team, but sometimes that's how life go. But however, me being me, like I'll be down about something for a bit, maybe a few hours or so, but then it's good to, it's not like how you fall but how you get back up. And I'm not trying to be philosophical or try to be smart or educated. It's just at the reality of things. If you sit down and beat up yourself for the whole time, as I said, don't cry about spilt milk, it don't make no sense. So, and normally I'm the type of person I believe like things happen for a reason, and it's my way of saying, yo, I gotta push me. Like I'm not the type of guy who's gonna sit down and be like, oh God, do something for me, man, whatever. I'm not that kind of person. I don't believe God works that way. I believe that you should work and hope that, you know, whoever it is that you pray to helps you through it, because you have to work yourself. So that's what I did. I tried to do something and like it's not working out, but I think it's not working out for a reason at the moment. It's a possibility for that investment to actually come through, but if not, I'm going to revert my thinking and do it in a different way to get similar results. And it's something that I really want to do. It's a passion of mine that I really want to continue, and of course I'm gonna fill you guys in on that. So anyway, this is pretty much the end of the vlog. Yeah guys, as always, yo, thank you so much for watching. Remember, love nature, adaptation, and remember to hit that subscribe button guys, and keep the link.